Welcome back, guys, and today I'm going to do a quick video showing you how to change the blades on your Automower. So all you're going to need for this is a Phillips head screwdriver and a set of replacement blades. I'll leave a link to both the official one and a cheaper off-brand one if you want. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make sure the stop button has been pressed and that you put in your password so the alarm doesn't go off when you flip it over. Next, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to flip it over. And then I would probably suggest pushing this button right there just to turn it off, make it safer for you. So once you have it upside down, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go right here, and this layer, you're going to want to spin that so that you get the blades to come out. This is going to make it easier to remove them after you unscrew them. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to line up the 3 holes with the screws on the bottom part. Then all you have to do is grab your Phillips head screwdriver, make sure that it is lined up, and then I suggest pinching the 2 layers together like this. This is going to make it really easy to not only unscrew, but also remove the screw. Just like that. Pull that out, and then you just pull the blade out from the side like that. As you can see, that is very dull, so I probably should have replaced these sooner. You're then going to just want to do this for all of the other sides as well. So while replacing the blades can be a little bit difficult due to all the lining up you need to do, if you use that pinch technique where you find the hole, you set the blade in there and then pinch it down, it can be quite easy. Make sure it's nice and tight, and then just do the other sides. Now all that's left is to flip it over, hit the power button on the bottom, push the stop button, enter your password, and start it up. And that is how you change your Automower blades. Thanks for watching.